Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how I drew this image of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan picture on coronavirus awareness and encouraging to wear mask. I tried in simple steps. Please watch the video until the end and do comment. Items used: Staedtler shading pencils B, 2B, 4B, 6B, 7B, painting brush for blending, pencil with eraser, sharpener. Draw the outline using any method which is comfortable to you. I used grid method and pencil B for outline. Let's get started with shading. I used 2B for first layer of shading. I apply minimal pressure while shading. If I want darker shade, I will use higher pencil shades like 4B, 6B, etc. I used simple painting brush for blending. Here, I use 4B for darker shades as second layer of shading wherever is required by going through reference photo very carefully. Here also, as a first layer, I am using again 2B for hands and shirt. When I am shading shirt, I used horizontal shading directions to set the texture of the shirt. I used 4B for darker shades and then blended with brush. I used 4B for detailing the hands. I used 4B and drew vertical lines and shaded well to get the texture of the shirt. Carefully outline the fingers so that it stands out very well from the background. I used 4B for shading a layer on the spectacles. Now, I use 6B pencil for the darker shade. Here I am using 2B for the first layer of shading of the hair. I used 4B for the darker shades wherever required by observing the flow of hair from the referred photo. I carefully observed highlights on the hair from the referred photo and shaded other parts with 6B to get the texture of hair. Blended it properly with the brush. Did proper detailing by shading wherever it is required. Used 4B to do the final detailing like highlights and shadows of the sketch by observing the reference photo. Used graphite powder for shading the background with the painting brush. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more new videos.